Hello Beer Master, we have a 2016 Kia Sorento. This goes for multiple years. I'm going to show you how to change the bulb in your hatch when it goes out, and I also have another video on how to change it in the tail light. So if this bulb goes out, you're going to have to access it from the back side. You open the hatch, and right here is a little compartment on both left and right sides. Stick a screwdriver in there and just pop it out. And then there are two bulbs here, and we'll say this one's out. You just twist it, and then with two hands you hold this socket, you hold this bulb, and you pull it straight out or twist it out. And on the bulb is little numbers that show you what the bulb is, or you can call your local supply house and tell them the application, and they will supply you with the bulb. You're going to plug that bulb back into the socket. I'm doing this with one hand here, so I can't really show you. And then you twist it back in, and then slide the cover back on. And that's it. Your bulb will be changed. Now watch my next video on how to change the quarter tail light bulb. Thanks for watching.